I'm truly honored to be able to participate in this August event of Republic India PSU Vision Summit 2025, a platform that reflects the strength of the Indian PSUs and their enduring partnership with the industry in nation building. AEW is a technology-driven IoT and automation company, and we are focusing on smart metering and utility applications. We cater to end-to-end value chain, including manufacturing of meters, IT solutions, communication solutions, and also installation and O&M activities. We have more than 24 years of experience in specialized manufacturing excellence in the energy metering, having a very comprehensive range of smart meters, including consumer meters, audit meters, and asset meters. Over the years, we have partnered with more than 40 utilities across India, working closely with major Indian utilities like UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, etc. And our approach has been very simple. We have understood the challenges of the utility and the ground. We have designed the solutions which are scalable, reliable, and secure. And C, we have manufactured at quality levels that utility can depend on for decades. With the installed capacity of about 7.2 million meters, we are one of the top 5 meter manufacturers of the country, with more than 10% market share and leadership in high-end metering, positioning us as a premium meter manufacturer of the country. Each smart meter installed today is not just a device, but it is a data point for governance, efficiency, and reform. And smart meter will always play a critical role in not just energy measurement, but also energy audits. Prepaid metering, we are creating a platform where we can integrate the entire utility operations into a single platform using SCADA, DMS, and other digitalization of the grid. We are proud to align with the Ministry of Power goal of having more than 60% local content and having 100% local content for all the IT and communication solutions which we provide today. We understand that a strong distribution network would be a very important foundation for the national growth, and this will help DISCOMs become financially sustainable. As Saxena was saying, that PSUs, any loss-making PSUs are to move towards privatization. So I think this is one of the foundation stone where this unlocking will happen, and DISCOMs will now be able to attract a lot of private participation and investments, which was earlier not the case. So the technology is changing that perception towards the distribution sector in the country. And therefore, we will see a lot of government resources will be freed up. We will see that a lot of industries would get reliable power. Of course, that remains to be the backbone of the entire economy today. And the consumers would give a lot of confidence and control. AEW is contributing directly by providing this, strengthening this last mile connectivity in the power value chain, by improving the ease of life in economic productivity, digital inclusion, and helping India reach its target of 5 trillion economy at the earliest possible time. This, of course, is in whole of this journey, the Indian PSUs has been very, very critical. While Dikshitji did mention about all the initiatives of ESL, but I think one of the greatest initiatives which ESL also took was smart metering. And it was only because of the initiatives of ESL that the government of India was able to create a policy framework around smart metering, and a scheme like RDSS could be launched at a scale and level as we see it today. So we provide our sincere gratitude to Government of India, Ministry of Power for having their visionary leadership and driving the reforms with accountability. State governments and DISCOMs for their trust and collaboration with the industry in launching these solutions. REC, PFC, ESL, and other implementing agencies and PSUs for their institutional support. And of course, all the MSPs and private players for their execution excellence.